folks, my name is Deepika. I'm a Salesforce developer. I'm also a video instructor at Udemy. This is my second course. After the success of my first course, Learn Salesforce CRM Step by Step, which focuses on the out-of-the-box features of the Salesforce, I decided to do something else with the programming side of the Salesforce. So this course, we're going to talk about this Apex programming language. It's an object-oriented programming language, which is very similar to Java. And this course is designed keeping in mind the non-programmers. And this course, we're going to talk about Apex, which is a language used by the Salesforce to perform customizations. So in my first course, we have covered all these standard objects and what we can do with the Salesforce tool. And in this side, we're going to talk about Apex programming language. What we're going to cover in this course, we're going to start with programming language. So if someone does not have any experience, this course is for you with any programming language. We'll talk about object-oriented concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, etc. We'll talk about triggers, what are basic and advanced triggers. We'll talk about operations, DML operations. What are the prerequisites for this course? So this course is designed keeping in mind the non-programmers. This course is divided into two parts, basic and advanced. If someone who does not have any experience with the programming, they can start with the basic sections, otherwise they can jump to the advanced section. And no prior programming experience is required. You just need a zeal to learn this course. And this course is going to be a full-fledged Apex course where you can also provide certifications after this course. Benefits of taking this course, you will be definitely going to be an Apex Ninja by the end of the course. You will be given access to notes and assignments. You will also be given, those assignments will be hands-on. You can practice on your own time. I'll also give you certification questions and answers, and which you can definitely try your certifications. And also the most important is you will be getting some real world programming experience. So I wish you all the very best, and definitely this course is going to be very helpful.